Great pizza. We all love it, but you can't really tell the story of a pizza without first telling the story of a pizza oven. All pizza ovens, whether the $50,000 pizzeria pizza ovens or the super high-end indoor pizza ovens, they're all trying to do the same thing. They're all trying to be very hot temperature, about 750 degrees. Boink. 747, 755, whoa, that's hot. They're trying to hold on to a lot of heat. In addition to that, they're trying to move that heat around as well as possible to make sure we cook the top of the pizza and the bottom of the pizza. One of the things I love most about this oven is the shopping list to get everything you need is really two things. You need 47 of these little red bricks, and you need 2 of these big bricks right here. And you can get that at any home supply place. I can take it anywhere. I can build it up. I can take it down. We're making the high performance pizza oven so we can really make a perfect pizza. The main things we're looking for, one is that like really nice leopard crust. Black, blonde, amber spotting. That's a good indication that you have the right amount of heat. The flour's really kind of pyrolyzing and charring at the right rate. That blistering, fluffy, airy crust around the crown. So when you bite into it, you've got big bubble structure and you also have a crispy surface. And the last thing I would say, making sure I'm getting even cooking on the timing between the bottom and the top of the pizza. So we're gonna take everything we know about pizza ovens and we're gonna make one from a pile of bricks in less than 30 minutes. When making your high performance pizza oven out of almost nothing, it's important to get at least one thing right, and that's the foundation. You wanna have a level surface. If you don't get your foundation right, the rest of the bricks are just kind of all over the place. If you were like camping and you didn't have a level, you just could put a plate of water or a cup of water to make sure it's level. We've got a nice foundation. Basically where we're gonna stop here is go about 4 bricks up, put our deck down. Our high temperature is gonna come from our wood fire. Our heat storage is gonna come from all the thermal mass in these bricks, but our airflow, how we move that heat around, has to come from the design of the oven, plain and simple. Fire, it's gonna be so hot, it needs airflow, right? It's gonna pull in, it's gonna shoot hot air out the top, come out the front. We've got a vent in the back. This isn't the most efficient pizza oven. If you want the most efficient pizza oven, buy a Breville Pizziola or something, you know, like get something that plugs in, it's super insulated, and it's gonna use the least amount of energy for the best results. But that's not what we're building here. We're building like the cheapest, highest performance, like hot rod pizza oven. We're gonna fire a pizza. So, a couple little tricks. Make sure your pizza's mobile on the peel. Aim for the back of it. Get that like that first lip and then. I see some good bubbling on the surface. How's the bottom really looking? Wow, looking good. Sometimes if you're like, the bottom's done, it's pretty dark, but the pizza's not done, you do this. Yeah, looking good. Yeah, we're happy. That thing you're looking for, right? That leopard spotting, that blistering, fluffy, airy crust, and making sure I'm getting even cooking on the timing between the bottom and the top of the pizza. Even myself, who's been doing it like a lot, even in the last few weeks, every little pizza gets a little bit better each time you do it, you know? So we fire one pizza, dial it in, fire the next pizza, fire the next pizza. They just get better and better and better as you dial it in. We've made an oven. This is a fire. This is an oven, but this is a burner. You know, you can put a pan right on here. That's hot. Lobster halves bubbling away. Nice big steaks. You could even do like fresh bread, focaccia. Good rest of pizza when it comes out. You know, it stays warm, mellows out for a second, and just cools off before it goes to the table. But you've got a nice hot pad up here. I've known so many guys who spent like $10,000, $20,000 building these crazy home ovens, and they can't make a pizza worth crap. So just buy a Pizziola or start with this one before you spend thousands and tens of thousands of dollars and months building a pizza oven that you don't know how to use.